Well, seniors bust a move and improve their balance. That looks like a lot of fun. More than 400 members of the Huntington Senior Center have taken part in an interactive program to help improve balance and confidence. Physical therapists give the seniors a variety of exercises to help prevent falls and gain core strength.
Basically, when I started here doing this exercise, I was coming here with a cane. Everybody could vouch for that. Now my balance is very, very good. I don't need any cane anymore.
Program directors tell us that 1 in every 4 seniors will fall, which is a major public health concern. There's an average of 36 million reported falls each year.